Namaskara se, kurise ikoko, kurise Zimbabwe, nasi tiriku bikai Mupunga ni Dovi. So today I'm going to make a peanut butter rice. Oh, I like it. I told you that I really like it. So I'm going to cook today. So yeah, whoever like peanut butter rice, whoever like peanut butter rice like me, Mupunga ni Dovi. So with wooden stick, what does it call? Mupunga. No, not Mupunga. I forget. I forget. So I can say wooden stick. I was remembering, so I forget. So people of God, today Mupunga ni Dovi. So tell me in the comment section that how did I do very well. So I'm going to show you. Okay, I think I need to add some more peanut butter. I'm sure that that's the way to cook. Yeah, I think almost done. I'm almost done. Yeah, I think I'm done. So it's like this one. It's coming out like this one. It's hard. Yeah, I'm sure it's done. So just let me a little bit, just for 2 minutes. Mupunga ni Dovi. So please let me know, did I do very well? Thank you.